Hi, this is Jafar Alam, Assistant Professor of Fashion Design and Technology, Shantubaram University of Creative Technology, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Uh, this is the lecture about the merchandising. You have seen, I think you have seen the other lectures about merchandising. My other lectures from Jafar Alam Bhuiya. Uh, Merchandising is an old French word which means to sell the products. You see, to sell the products. On the other hand, merchandise, actually merchandise means product to retail consumer or customer. Consumer is the end user of the product who will use the product or who will consume the product. The customer is maybe the consumer, maybe the shopkeeper or retailer. He or she may be purchase the product for his or her use. Otherwise, he may sell to other. In the store label, variety of product available to ready for sale and display of those product in such way that stimulate interest of the buyer. Means the presentation will be so fantastic, so nice that it will attract the customer and it will say, "Purchase me. I am your uh, I will be your very essential. Please take me in your home. Please purchase me. Please collect me." Yes, presentation is the art, and nowadays presentation is also a product for the marketing people of the world. Okay, so here from the slide, what we have learned: the merchandising is old French word, which means to sell the product to the retail consumer or customer, and uh, presentation is a skill, presentation is a marketing skill, or presentation is a tool or technique for uh, selling the product, and it will stimulate the customer, it will induce the customer to purchase the product, to take away the product. Let you go the next slide. Here you see this is the merchandising activity cycle or merchandising activity at a glance. Actually, merchandising activity starts from marketing. By marketing, merchandising merchandiser or marketing people, they will collect the order from the buyer, and after having the order, they will source for the things of the raw materials, supporting materials, logistics materials, trims and accessories. And on the other hand, the development activities like the sampling, like the uh, like the development of the color, confirmation of the color, uh, all the things will be taken place. Here, the technical person of the garments industry, they will participate in the development activities. Okay, after having the sourcing, production process will start, and in the production process, the other people uh, accepting merchandising, the other people who will help the merchandiser or the merchandising people uh, to go the production process are the people of production line or the production department, the dyeing department, printing department, embroidery department, and there will be a good follow up by all, from the top to bottom or bottom to top, everybody will look after the production process. If production process is good and production process is uh, run by a good quality assurance, then the good will be acceptable to the buyer, or it will collect the appreciation of the buyer. There will be an inspection. One thing is that in the production process there is a lot of uh, inspection, inline inspection, table inspection, lot pass inspection, and this is the final inspection. Here buyer will confirm the thing that it is acceptable or not. If the product reach the reach the quality level of the demand by the buyer, then the goods will be accepted, otherwise the goods will be rejected. And here as there are a lot of quality inspection has taken place, so buyer will many time it is 80 to 90% confirmed that buyer will accept the goods if the quality level is uh, acceptable. Then the merchandising people, with the help of the commercial and factory people, they will ship the goods to the buyer authorized agent. Then file will be closed, and customer, that means the buyer will give the feedback. Buyer will give the feedback, and if the feedback is positive, that means appreciable, then buyer will uh, release your money, give your money, release your LC. Then you will have uh, your total money. Okay, so let me go the next slide for something to be clear. This is all the work centering merchandising. You see, in some cases you have to make the design, confirm the design, or issue the design, and then after design you have to conduct the work study. That means how many days you have to take in place, who are the responsible people, and what will be the environment, and from where uh, you will do the thing, when you will start the goods to be production, all the thing. Then after work study, then you will go for production planning and controlling. That means PPC. PPC is a planning how you will make the production and how we will control this. Then the sampling process. Sampling process, sometimes it takes more than 30 days to 60 days to develop the sample. In our next slide we will see the sampling process, uh, the steps of the sampling. Then store is the thing. Store is the place where all the logistics and all the supporting materials will be taken place, and the production sequence will be assured. Then cutting start after the confirmation of sampling, after having the pre-production sample, that means PP sample, pre-production sample. In some buyer it terms as the gold sample, gold seal sample. Then cutting will be start. After cutting, as it is a huge process, a lot of a series of work you have to assure in the cutting process. We'll